Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to my channel where I share with you the best tips and tricks for interior design. In the previous part of this video, we talked about the origin and principles of Nordic design style, a minimalist and functional approach that emerged in the Scandinavian countries. We also looked at some of the key elements of this style, such as natural materials, light color, geometric patterns, and cozy textiles. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out after this one. In this video, we will focus on the latest trends and innovations in Nordic design style and how you can incorporate them into your own home. You will see how to use bold and contrasting colors, natural elements, and modern and traditional pieces to create a unique and eclectic look. Whether you want to add some interest and warmth to your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, we have the ideas and inspiration for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our presentation with this apartment design idea. Modern open space in simple but elegant Nordic style. The space is spacious and bright. Large floor-to-ceiling windows on two sides allow in plenty of natural light and offer a panoramic view of the city. A wide glass door leads to an enclosed balcony. The light color hardwood floor adds warmth and contrast to the walls, which are painting in a chocolate brown color. Long curtains in soft brown match the color of the walls. The space is simply but beautifully furnished with high-quality furniture, just several decorative accessories and ultra-modern pendant lamps complement the overall decor. The second design idea is an open space with a cathedral ceiling, a bright and cozy top of the building, combination of living room, dining room, and kitchen with an extensive use of natural materials, especially wood, light colors, and clean lines. The living dining area walls are painted in a soft green ones. The kitchen walls are in top color. Clever use of space with smart furniture arrangement. The Nordic style living room from the image is a stylish and cozy corner space with large floor-to-ceiling windows that offer a garden view. Again, walls in top color. Add warmth to the decor while the light color hardwood flooring bring textures to the overall look. The gallery wall above the sofa creates a focal point and a stylish atmosphere. The two fancy blue armchairs provide additional comfortable seating, and they are placed away from the sofa for intimate conversation. The living room absolutely reflects the Nordic design style of simplicity, functionality, and comfort. Let's step now into a living room that is a cozy and stylish space with a Nordic style design and a bright look. The beige walls contrast with the hardwood floor. The cream color sofas and the egg-shaped armchair and orange ottoman provide comfortable and ample seating, while decorative pillows in orange and cream colors add some style and softness. The round coffee table and the side tables offer surface space for small decorative items. The modern chandelier and the floor-standing lamp add some sparkle and drama to the space. The cream-colored drapes match the sofas and add privacy to the space. The living room is a perfect example of the new tendencies in the Nordic style design. The townhouse from the image is quite spacious with a Scandinavian style design. The open space consists of a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen, all featuring light gray color walls, light gray area rug, and gorgeous hardwood flooring throughout. The kitchen has an L-shaped layout with white and light gray cabinets and a white countertop. The living room has a gray sofa and two small round-top low-profile coffee tables. The dining room has a round black wooden table and four comfy chairs in gray color. A wooden stairway links the three levels of this modern and stylish townhouse. This brand new condominium has a modern, elegant open space with a Nordic design style. The blue-white walls and the white ceiling create a spacious and airy feel, while the hard floor in light natural wood color and textures and warmth. The space opens to a large balcony on two sides that offers a panoramic view and a connection to the outside. The furniture and accessories are high quality and stylish. The space reflects the simplicity, functionality, elegance, and comfort of the Nordic design style. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interior design tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the latest trends in Nordic design style and how you would apply them to your own home. I would love to hear from you and see your amazing creations. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.